When manually mixing the Ultraflex, mix the Part A or pre-mix the prepolymer before adding the catalyst. This will ensure that the mix is homogeneous and that there are no settling of solids at the bottom of the can. When you add the catalyst while mixing and slowly move the paddle of the mixer around in the can. You can move it up and down and around the bottom. Because the Part B is heavier than the Part A, it is best to move it around and even tilt the paddle so that you make sure that the Part B or the isocyanate is brought off the bottom and then mixed thoroughly throughout the top of the can. This is the same thing as done in a 5-gallon pail, which will be shown in a short video right after this.
Simply remove the lid off the base, then add the catalyst, which now has to be mixed together by stirring for at least 3 to 5 minutes. For the 5-gallon container, it is best to use a square plasterer's paddle attached to a 1/2-inch chuck slow-speed drill operating at about 500 RPMs. It is important that the mixture is stirred sufficiently, and the operator should monitor the time with a watch. With the smaller 1-gallon mix and the trowel grade, we recommend this smaller stirring paddle. The process is identical to the 5-gallon quantity, with precise attention being paid to sufficient mixing time.
Alternative paddles that can be used are shown here and were actually used on the job at Denver Water. You can take a look at the picture, and up in the upper right-hand corner is the paddle mixer, and there's a close-up of the same paddle being used on the project, and it is an excellent mixing tool.